Morning guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I've actually missed vlogging so much, like it's been how many months now, and can you believe why has she got an umbrella? Guys, can you believe we are final year medical students? Can you believe it? I can't believe it. We are going into our 5th and final year of medical school. You might be wondering, why are you guys up so early?
Why is Lily feeling an umbrella?
Lily decided it would be such a fantastic idea to get up at 4 AM today. This is not my usual time of awaking.
It isn't.
But tell us why you thought this was such a brilliant idea.
Let's get uni early. Let's organize our folders and our files or whatever before the new term.
But anyway guys, we are now going to make our way to university and just do a lot of different things before our lectures start this morning at 9 AM just to prepare ourselves for the next and final academic year. That's actually really sad.
I think it's exciting.
It's exciting.
Let's get into it.
And to get petrol.
Welcome to a day in the life of passenger princess. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? You know music videos be like, you know? Guys, if you heard the lyrics. Lads, we just got to school. We just got to uni.
We're adults.
Yeah, we're adults. And yeah, we're gonna go grab a coffee and then make our way to our campus.
Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me style from the street. Look at me style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go to my knees to the Calvary tree. Me, I pray. Me telling God everything.
Guys, in our very first med school vlog, we were standing in this exact same position vlogging because we had just gotten our ID cards. This card here.
This fake ass Instagram pic with filters.
We had just gotten our ID cards and we were so excited to start medical school.
Hi guys, welcome to Journey to Med. I'm Liddy.
And I'm Hazal.
And we just finished fully enrolling into Barts in London.
Yeah, so now we are actual medical students, and this is going to be a vlog of our first week as medical students at Barts in London. And now here we are in year 5 in our final year. This is quite sentimental.
Let's just take a moment of silence. We've grabbed our coffees and visited the library, and now we're gonna go head to our lecture theatre.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
Oui.
Miúda, não te quero constranger, e muito menos contrariar. Vi tão longe que estás a fazer. Não me queres acompanhar? 1, 2 e 3. Yeah. Quero ver-te a dançar mais uma vez. Com os pés e o corpo todo a abanar. 1, 2 e 3. Yeah. Quero ver-te a dançar mais uma vez. Com os pés e o corpo todo a abanar. Não precisas temer, basta experimentar.
Liddy, how do you feel? Liddy?
Lily's not here, bro.
Guys, this is Huma. You've probably seen her in our previous vlogs.
The main star.
Not the main star. We're going to Sainsbury's to get a meal deal because the academic year has officially started, and that means we need to go back to student living, which means meal deals.
1, 2 e 3. Yeah. Quero ver-te a dançar mais uma vez. Com os pés e o corpo todo a abanar. 1, 2 e 3. Yeah. Quero ver-te a dançar mais uma vez. Com os pés.
Guys, just like that, we are done with today's lectures. That was like 9 to 4 of lectures. It's too much, but I've got my stuff, and now we're not even going home. down. We're jumping straight into the deep end. We're going to the library because we've got a few more things to do. It's more admin bits than studying. I'm not ready to start studying yet, but we need to do stuff like sort out a few forms for 5th year and stuff like that. But yeah guys, I'm actually knackered. I'm not ready for the student life. It's too much. It's actually too much. I was literally gonna fall asleep in the lecture, but anyway, now we're out of the lectures. We're gonna go to the library. I'll see you there. Guys, wave. I said wave.
Oh.
This is my mood right now. This is my mood right now.
Bruh.
It's 7 p.m. Why am I still in uni? We've been in uni for 12 hours today.
Oh, how did we let that happen?
How did I let that? No wonder I'm drained. I've been in uni for 12 hours on the very first day. Anyway, we're both now on our way home. As you can tell, we're drained. As you can tell, we're tired. But we go again tomorrow.
Lord.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Check out our other medical school vlogs from 4th year if you want to reminisce, and make sure to subscribe because we've got so much planned for 5th year.
So much, guys.
I can't even begin to explain.
Period.
So make sure you guys stay in touch for that. And yeah, bye guys.